What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be telling you how you can use your VPN to unlock some of the catalogs in different countries on Netflix. Alright, I'm going to show you the 3 that I think are the best for getting inside Netflix security and getting through and allowing you to change the catalogs all around the world. Alright, so let's go. So guys, what I'm going to use an example is Sing2. Alright, I'm going to type that in, and if you actually look at unogs.com, unogs.com, you can actually find the Netflix catalog, the unofficial global search, all right? And it tells you what countries these films actually play in. So if I go with Sing2, because I'm in the UK, this does not play in the UK, it only plays in the United States and South Korea. So what I'm going to do now is go back to Netflix and show you that I'm not connected to anything. If I type in Sing2, nothing comes up. All right, it is not available in the United Kingdom. Now let's pick one of these free VPNs. All right, we've got Nord VPN, we've got Surfshark, and ExpressVPN. They're probably the best 3 that I can bring to you today. The best 3 that I use, the only 3 I really use. I'm gonna go with, let's go with Surfshark, okay, and see how that does. It's probably my favorite one. I'm gonna go United States. All right, I'm gonna pick a server anywhere in the United States, maybe Miami. I'm gonna allow that, and we're gonna connect. So it's taking its time to connect now. It's finding all the different servers around Miami. All right, they've attempted it once. What this is trying to do is get through the Netflix barrier, because what they do is they beat all VPN servers, or they try. So what the servers on the VPNs have to do is refresh their info, so their IP addresses, things like that. And if they can get it right, they'll get through. Now these 3 will always get you through Netflix, because Netflix cannot cancel them out fast enough. All right, they cannot do it. They're too fast. As you see now, on the 3rd attempt, we managed to get through. Connection time, we're in. Real location is hidden, it's encrypted, and this is the IP address. So all they do is refresh your IP address. Now let me type in Sing2 and see what comes up. As you can see now, Sing2 is there. I can watch it. I've already watched 48 minutes of it. All right, it's really cool. And that's because I'm connected to the United States. So that's Surfshark. Surfshark's really, really good, and it goes through multiple attempts instead of just saying failed. It's probably why it's one of my favorite. It does the same with everything else. If I disconnect from Surfshark and I refresh this, you can actually see that Sing2 will disappear. Happy with that? And then if I go over, let's just say to NordVPN, and I connect to the United States, all right, wait till this connects. We're in. It's done it straight away. I click refresh this on Sing2, and Sing2 reappears. Now, just to show you on the 3rd one, ExpressVPN, all right, let's have a look at VPN locations, go to United States, and connect. Okay, this is connected to one of the servers in New York, and again, if I refresh this page, Sing2 will still be there, as you can see. Perfect. Now I'm disconnected from everything, okay, just to show you that I wasn't lying. Refreshing this, I cannot watch Sing2 in the United Kingdom. That's how easy it is. These are the top 3 for me, all right, guys. You can get these on onlyvpns.net, all right? There's some super deals on there, so you can get them cheaper. It is expensive if you just go straight to their website, ExpressVPN, Surfshark, NordVPN, so go through onlyvpns.net, all right? That's why we bring this to you. We are trying our best to help you. Get involved, look at the catalogs. Let me know in the comments what you're going to be watching in these different country catalogs. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next video.